What's up, guys? Today I'm super excited to bring you the tiniest of tool hauls. Today I finally get to put my hands on the new baby Knipex. That's right, they're right here. So we're going to take a look at these and I want to show them to you up close and show you how they compare to the old, what I called the baby Knipex. So now I guess those will be the big brother Knipex. But anyway, that's the video today. You guys stick around. Let's look at these. Let's do it. All right, this is going to be a super short video. I'm actually doing this on my lunch break. The package just come in. The FedEx guy just left. And I've been trying to get a hold of these for a long time. The part number is 8700100. And that is the new baby Knipex. As you can see, they are super small. These are the ones that I keep in my pocket all the time, and you can see the difference between them right here. These right here I've had for a while. I love them. I use them for all kind of things. As you can see how big they open, and I absolutely love them. They stay in my right pants pocket along with the Pliers wrench version that Knipex has, which this one was purchased off the Matco tool truck, so they added their little logo on there. But this is just simply the smooth jaw version to work as a adjustable wrench, and of course the regular Knipex Cobras. Now I keep these in my pocket all the time because they are super handy. When I heard that Knipex came out with the new set here, I was dying to try them. Every single tool truck that we have, Mr. Joe, the Snap-on truck, the Matco truck, and the Mack truck has been trying to get these in. I've waited and waited and waited with no success. So I started looking online, and lo and behold, the #1 German hand tool dealer in the world, KC Tools, had them in stock. Like I say, the part number is 8700100, and they're $36.99 on there if you guys want to check them out. And they are super awesome. As you can see, they open up nice and wide. They don't have the button on them like the regular ones, but you just simply open them and slide them, and they open up very wide. I assume they didn't put the rubber grip on them just so it'll be easier to get in and out of your pocket, because this style actually does hang up some, and it will catch in your pocket. So that's probably the reason why they didn't do it. But as you guys can see, there's a big difference in the size of the two tools. And like I say, I use these things for everything. They open the same width. Of course, you can open them up wider, but they're the same jaw width. So the only thing you're losing is a little bit of the leverage on the handle, but the ability to stick them in your pocket is amazing. So one of the things that's kind of been discussed topic with these baby Knipex is how long actually are they. Of course, with all Knipex, the last number is the centimeters of how long the tool is, and obviously this one's 100 centimeters and this one's 125. Part number on this is 8701125. Of course, we can visually see the difference in them, but I want to put a tape measure on them because a lot of guys use metrics. So let's take a look at the overall length of the Knipex. It's just under 4 inches. It's going to be 3 15/16 is how long those are. And the previous version that I referred to as the baby Knipex are 4 7/8. So it's 7/8 of an inch longer. Pretty much an inch shorter is how how they compare in lengthwise. I've got quite a few things from KC Tool in the past, the Wera screwdrivers and some of the other stuff, and I'm really a fan of a lot of the German tools. They're hard to get unless you have an online source such as KC Tools, because unfortunately no store or tool truck around here carries them. But KC Tools is a huge retailer of all the German manufacturers. They got tons of different tools on there. And what's cool when you purchase from their website, which is www.kctoolco.com, kctoolco.com. And every order that you get, they do this thing called a bit of thanks. And inside that plastic bag, they include a bit of some kind in every order. I just wanted to throw this video together real quickly for you guys and let you know, I know I'm not the only one that's been searching for these baby Knipex, and a lot of people's been wanting them. So here is your resource to get them. To my knowledge, everywhere else is completely back ordered. The tool trucks can't get them. You know, they're just, you can't find them. But thankfully, KC Tools had them in stock, and we got them here today, and I'm definitely looking forward to putting them to use. As you can see, the differences in the head, the new ones, the new smaller version is a lot thinner. I actually think that's going to be a benefit, because a lot of times I wasn't able to get these in places very well because they were thicker, and I think that's actually going to be a benefit. But my plans are those will live in my pocket full time, and I'll be able to do whatever I want to with them, because it's really handy just to have a pair of pliers on you at times, just to move stuff or twist stuff or bend something. And these baby Knipex I thought was the greatest thing on earth until these come out, and I think they are definitely going to supersede them. But anyway, guys, that's the video today. It's just real quick. I wanted to introduce you to these because a lot of people's been wanting to see them and actually take a look at them, and this is the first time I was able to do it. But check out KC Tools. I think you'll be able to find a lot of the stuff on their website that you know is going to interest you, a lot of high quality German made tools. Like always, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, hit that thumbs up, check the links in the description, and click that subscribe button. You guys have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time.